Do you know this plant? Does it look familiar? Well, my fellow Jamaicans should know it. It is called Shame Old Lady. Yes, otherwise called Shemamaka, dead and weak. Yes, it's sensitive to touch. So once it has stimuli or it close, just like you see here, and it does have blossoms. It has a flower, and yes, you can definitely use it medicinally. Did you know that you can actually drink Shame Old Lady and even use it externally? Yes, it is great for diabetes, hypertension. It's great for piles, for sore throat, hoarseness. It's great for snake bite. Yeah, asthma. And yes, you can actually drink it. So here it's soaking in the water, some salt water, to get it all clean. And yes, I actually use this to make a drink with ginger and orange. And yes, it does have pods that you can dry and ground it. Yeah, one of these days we'll share more on the benefits, external and internal benefits of Shame Old Lady. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.